made a little purchase here. We've got the Hollywood rack for Fat Tire electric bikes. We got two over the last few months, and so we wanted to get a rack for the van so we can actually take these on our adventures. So it looked like this one was the best one for what we have, because these things weigh 80 pounds each, and so this is what that's rated for. So just got on Amazon. We are gonna go ahead and open this thing up, put it together, and see how it works. Let's do it.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I gotta sharpen my knife.
Whoa!
Oh. Packaging's good.
Boxes and boxes.
Boxes and boxes and boxes. Here we go. All right. Here we go. All right. Well, there are all the parts.
I got a mommy.
It's pretty simple. All right. There's all the parts. So get a hitch tube. We'll go put that into the trailer hitch. The parts you are going to need is a trailer hitch lock. This is what's going to keep the actual thing connected to the trailer hitch. We got one with the key. You could do one with like a little pin or whatever, but this way it's locked and you can't just take it off. Just do that one. For now, lock it in place. All right, so looking at the stuff, there's actually, remember that whole hitch pin thing that I was talking about? It comes with one. So you don't have to pay 25 bucks for one that we just did. It comes with it, which is nice, so good to know. All right, now the next piece is to put this part onto the main hitch. On this side, there's pull-out things here. Once that's in place, you need a 3/4 inch.
Oh, wow!
All right, this goes through here. The other side, washer on this side.
Oh, can I do the washer?
Oh,
Can I twist it? Can I
it's
twist
on there.
it?
And then we'll tighten that up in a minute. And this thing, pull out the pin, turn it upright, put the pin back in, down. Okay, so far, solid. All right, now, so the crossbars, so you need these two, this guy, bolts, and they gave you a 17 millimeter socket wrench kind of thing. So
Sucker wrench?
you actually don't need too many tools.
Oh, no!
Oh no! All right, to the van.
Come on. Let's go see what you're doing.
Plate up and under, backside. That. Okay. Now,
Hey. Oh, we're safe, Daddy. It's Dad in there.
okay.
Son, can I do the twisting part?
Hold on, let me just get started. Okay, twist that way. Yep.
Can I do it?
Come on this side.
Huh?
Come on this side. It's kind of hard. Push. Keep going.
Daddy! Mom, Daddy.
All right. So next are the frame hooks that go on. This is what actually holds the bikes down on the frames. You'll see we have the big thing in the middle. These things go on there. And your frames go here. So you can see there's two different sizes. The small one, no, the big one goes on first, and then the small one, so that they're just about even. And also the key for the trailer hitch pin is the key to these, which is nice. So everything's locked together. All right, let's go put it on. That. Cool.
Now what?
So then once we put all the rest of it on, then we'll be able to push these things down. That will go onto the frame of the bike. That will hold it in place. And you can lock it into place once it's there. So now it's time to put the wheel holders, that's what they call it, the wheel holders on. So there are 4 of them. I don't know what just came out there. What's
Dad, that has to go on that.
Huh?
That has to go right here.
that? Oh, nice. Thanks, Wyatt.
Oh my god. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Nice.
Got one. Thank you. Can you grab the other one?
Now?
Huh?
Now?
No, grab the other one.
Other one?
Yeah.
Okay, but can I put them on? But Dad, can I put that one on?
Yeah, put that one on.
Okay.
Yep, right here on this side. Over here. Slide it in.
Hey, what about this?
That goes on. That goes on once we actually put the bikes on. Okay. See?
Okay.
There. There we go. So then you gotta adjust it according to where your bikes are at. But for now, we'll just keep them loose, and then you tighten them down once you're ready. That's good. Use these 2 little screws that are in the other pouch that had the big bolt in it. Those are like the last things you put on the ends of these. So it's washer and screw underneath.
Other side.
There you go.
Hey, do you do on the other side yet?
That's so that you can't pull these things off now. When those are on, they can't slide off. Use this. Turn it that way. Here you go. Here you go. Want to use that? Turn this way. Other way. That way. Nice and tight.
No, not yet.
Good?
Yep.
Sweet. Good job, man. Well, we're just about done. We'll put the bikes on here in just a minute, but I just wanted to point out one thing is this here, this bolt is one of the first things that we put on. Once you get it all set up, you can come with these tools and just crank that down because it's going to make it be nice and solid. So I can probably crank it down a little bit more, but that's where you want to tighten that down as much as you can. Also, I don't know if you saw this part down here. Crank this. This is what pulls. There's an internal unit in here that pulls it and keeps it really tight against this, against the trailer hitch lock. So, anyways, it's pretty solid now that we're on there. I mean, it's not too bad. So, let's get a bike on there and see how it feels. All right. So they say to put this thing down, especially on the big bikes. Put those on closer to the vehicle first. Drop that thing down, and then load the front tire up first.
Wait, hang on, sweetie. We're not going to pack yours up quite yet, okay? Thank you.
Alright. Okay, load the front tire. Just gonna walk it. Good. Tire goes through. Pull that back up. So the color one should be on first. And the small one. So also note we have 2 seats on this thing that we took off, and we took out this battery to lower the weight. You got the straps on the tires. Make sure they're not on the spokes. Tight. There you go. Tighten it down. Smaller bike. Now, I did not take off the battery.
Oh, why are you trying to pack walkers?
We did not realize that what we needed to get was, they call it like a little crossbar that goes for step through bikes. It's like 40 bucks. And we just ordered that, so that'll go from here to here. So that when we put this on, the bar will come right here, and that's how you'll set it down. So right now there's nothing for this thing to hold on to. We'll show you that once we get it all dialed in, but well, we'll do a test drive a bit later once we get everything on there. Solid. I would say setup time would be maybe 30 to 40 minutes if you're by yourself, 2 to 3 hours if you have kids.
Yeah, we're in all of the stuff in the car. So since we're packing up,
We're not going anywhere right now.
We've got 4 days, Wyatt.
I know.
Okay, Walker, thumbs up. Even better.
All right, so the bike rack made it with the bikes on. Actually did very well. Didn't even feel them back there. Didn't seem like there was a lot of bouncing. So yeah, we did about 9 hours with it. So yeah, pretty confident in it now. I used a couple straps. I did straps to hold the bikes together, and then a strap again to the actual trailer hitch as well. But once they're on and tightened down, they're pretty solid. So happy with the purchase. Getting the system down on how to actually put them in. We got this. This is the crossbar thing that you need if you have a step-through bike. So I think can actually tap to it.
Doctor.